The concept of thought alone inducing physical changes in both the brain and body is a fascinating aspect of the human psyche and physiology. The idea that visualizing an activity, such as pulling a spring, can result in an increase in muscle strength exemplifies the profound connection between the mind and the body. This connection goes beyond mere psychological influence. It demonstrates a direct, measurable physical impact of mental activities on our physical state. This phenomenon suggests that the act of intense visualization or mental rehearsal is more than just a cognitive exercise. It has tangible physiological outcomes. When individuals engage in vivid mental imagery, their bodies respond as though the activity were actually being performed. This response is not limited to mere neurological changes. It extends to physical adaptations in muscle strength and coordination, indicating a deep rooted link between thought processes and physical reality. The implications of this mind body connection are significant for both physical training and rehabilitation. In physical training, athletes and performers can leverage mental rehearsal to enhance their skills and prepare for competitions without the risk of physical strain or injury. This technique allows for continued development even in the absence of physical practice, offering a valuable tool for skill enhancement and psychological preparation. In rehabilitation, this concept opens up new avenues for recovery and physical therapy. Individuals who are unable to engage in physical activity due to injury or illness can use mental rehearsal to maintain or even improve muscle strength and coordination. This approach provides a non invasive, accessible method for physical improvement, particularly valuable for those with mobility limitations. Moreover, the idea that thought alone can lead to physical changes challenges our traditional understanding of the limits of mental influence. It underscores the potential of the human mind to affect not only our mental states, but also our physical health and capabilities. This potential has far reaching implications for our approach to health and wellness, suggesting that mental practices like visualization, meditation, and positive thinking can play a significant role in physical health and healing. This concept also highlights the importance of mental discipline and focus in achieving physical goals. The effectiveness of mental rehearsal depends on the quality and intensity of the visualization. This requirement for high levels of concentration and mental control underscores the interdependence of mental and physical fitness, suggesting that cultivating a strong, disciplined mind is integral to achieving physical excellence. Furthermore, the ability of mental rehearsal to induce physical changes speaks to the broader potential of the mind to influence our overall life experience. It suggests that our thoughts, beliefs, and mental attitudes can have profound effects on our physical reality, shaping our experiences, health, and even our environment. The role of emotion in the process of genetic signaling and physical transformation is a fascinating and crucial aspect of the mind body connection. When we engage in mental rehearsal or visualization accompanied by strong emotions, our body responds as if the experience were actually occurring. This response is not merely a psychological phenomenon. It's a biological process that triggers genetic changes and physical adaptations in the body, blurring the lines between mental and physical realms. The concept that the body cannot distinguish between an emotionally charged imagined experience and an actual physical event has profound implications. It implies that our emotional state plays a pivotal role in our physical health and well being. When we vividly imagine an experience with strong emotion, be it joy, excitement, or even stress and fear, our body reacts accordingly. This reaction involves a complex cascade of biological processes, including the release of hormones, activation of neural pathways, and even changes in gene expression. This interplay between emotion and physiology underscores the importance of emotional health and well being. It suggests that by cultivating positive emotions through practices like gratitude, joy, and love, we can positively influence our physical health. Conversely, dwelling in negative emotional states can have detrimental effects on our physical well being, potentially leading to adverse health outcomes. Moreover, the ability of emotions to signal genes and induce physical changes highlights the power of practices like meditation, mindfulness, and guided imagery in health and healing. These practices, which often focus on generating positive emotional states, can be powerful tools for promoting physical health and healing, offering non invasive, accessible methods for enhancing well being. The concept also has significant implications for the field of psychoneuroimmunology, which studies the interaction between psychological processes, the nervous system, and the immune system. The understanding that emotions can trigger genetic changes and influence physical health provide a biological basis for the observed effects of psychological states on immune function and overall health. Furthermore, this phenomenon offers a new perspective on the placebo effect, where positive health outcomes are observed following a treatment that is inert. The placebo effect has often been attributed to the patient's belief in the treatment, but understanding the role of emotion in genetic signaling provides a more concrete explanation. Positive expectations and emotions associated with the belief in a treatment can lead to real physiological changes, demonstrating the power of the mind in healing. In personal development and self improvement contexts, this understanding empowers individuals to use emotional states proactively to influence their physical health and well being. By deliberately cultivating positive emotional states, individuals can actively participate in shaping their physical health and potentially even influence the course of diseases or physical conditions. The potential for gene regulation and expression through internal changes is a groundbreaking concept in the field of epigenetics, revolutionizing our understanding of how genes and environment interact. The idea that individual genes can exhibit tens of thousands of variations based on one's internal state, particularly thoughts and emotions, opens up a new realm of possibilities for personal health and well being. This concept moves us beyond the deterministic view of genetics, where genes were once thought to unchangeably dictate our health and behavior, towards a more dynamic understanding where our internal environment plays a critical role in gene expression. This understanding that changes in our internal state can signal genes in new ways, leading to the production of proteins and expressions of life, underlines the immense power of the human mind and body. It suggests that by cultivating a positive internal state through practices like meditation, visualization, and emotional regulation, we can potentially influence our genetic expression. This influence extends to improving health, enhancing physical and cognitive abilities, and even altering predispositions to certain diseases. The concept of gene regulation through internal changes is supported by an increasing body of scientific research. Studies have shown that lifestyle changes, stress management, and emotional well being can lead to significant changes in gene expression. These changes affect a wide range of bodily functions, from immune response to cellular aging, indicating that our lifestyle and mental state can have profound and measurable effects on our physical health. Furthermore, the realization that we can influence our genetic destiny by changing our internal state offers a powerful counter narrative to the often fatalistic perspective of genetic predisposition. It provides hope and empowerment to individuals who might be at risk of certain genetic conditions, suggesting that through conscious efforts to alter their internal environment, they might be able to influence their gene expression and overall health outcomes. This epigenetic perspective also highlights the interconnectedness of mind, body, and environment. It underscores the importance of holistic approaches to health and wellness, recognizing that factors like emotional health, mental state, and environmental influences are as important as physical health in determining our overall well being. It also points to the potential for preventive health measures that focus on maintaining a positive internal state as a way to promote health and prevent disease. Moreover, the potential for gene regulation through internal changes has significant implications for mental health. Understanding that our thoughts, emotions, and mental state can influence gene expression provides a biological basis for the effectiveness of psychological therapies and interventions. It suggests that by changing our thought patterns, managing stress, and cultivating positive emotions, we can potentially bring about changes in our brain chemistry and physiology, leading to improved mental health and well being. The idea that our internal environment can exert a more significant influence on gene expression than external factors marks a paradigm shift in understanding health and disease. This concept challenges the traditional view that genes are the sole determinants of our health, highlighting the crucial role of the internal environment, our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs, in signaling genes and influencing physical outcomes. The impact of the internal environment on gene expression redefines our understanding of the body's biology. It suggests that the cells in our body are not just passive receivers of genetic instructions, but are responsive to the internal milieu created by our mental and emotional states. This responsiveness implies that our daily experiences, our stress levels, our mental focus, and the quality of our emotional life can directly affect our genetic expression, with significant implications for our overall health and well being. This understanding offers a new perspective on the nature of diseases and disorders. It indicates that while genetic predispositions play a role, the expression of these genes can be significantly influenced by our internal state. For example, two individuals with a genetic predisposition to a particular disease may have different outcomes based on their stress levels, coping mechanisms, and overall emotional health. Furthermore, this concept underscores the importance of mental and emotional well being in maintaining physical health. Practices that promote a positive internal environment, such as mindfulness meditation, positive affirmations, and emotional management strategies, can therefore be vital in influencing gene expression in beneficial ways. These practices can help create an internal environment conducive to health and resilience, potentially mitigating the effects of harmful genetic predispositions. The idea also has profound implications for preventive medicine and healthcare. It suggests that interventions aimed at improving mental and emotional health could be as crucial as traditional physical health measures in preventing and managing diseases. This holistic approach to health recognizes the integral role of the mind and emotions in physical health, advocating for a comprehensive approach to wellness that addresses both mental and emotional factors alongside physical factors. Moreover, the influence of the internal environment on gene expression provides a scientific foundation for the efficacy of integrative and holistic health practices. These practices, which often focus on harmonizing the mind, body, and spirit, can now be seen as not just beneficial for overall well being, but also as directly impacting our biological processes at the genetic level. In addition, this understanding has significant implications for personal empowerment and responsibility in health management. It suggests that individuals have more control over their health than previously thought, and that by actively working to cultivate a positive internal environment, they can play a significant role in determining their health outcomes.